In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a thread on Threads app. Hello guys and welcome back. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open Threads app like this. Now on this page you will find your threads in your profile exactly. Go to your profile. Now this is my threads, and if you want to delete any thread right here, all what you have to do is click on these three dots and then click on delete like this. Now choose delete from here, and after you click on it, the post or the thread is deleted. And if you want just to edit other settings of the thread, click again and choose any one here you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe.